Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we will set up Java JDK on your system step by step so you can start writing Java code without any issues. If you haven't watched our first video, Java intro video, make sure to check it out first to understand what Java is and where it is used. First we will see what is JDK. So JDK stands for Java Development Kit. It contains the tool required to write, compile and run Java programs. It includes JRE, Java Runtime Environment, to run Java apps, Java Compiler, to compile .java files to .class file, Java tools like Java jar, Java dog, etc. Basically, if you want to develop Java applications, you need the JDK. So in second part, we will see how to install JDK. So for installing this, we can go to the official site or we can directly write on the Google download JDK. Java downloads. So it opens the page for downloading the JDK. Here we will choose the operating system. So I will go for Windows operating system and for the 64-bit. So I will click here and now downloading gets started. So we will wait while it's getting downloaded. So it's downloaded now I will go on the location where it is downloaded. Now I will right click on it and I will run as administrator. Here I will choose yes. So now we don't have to do anything, just we need to click on the next button, again next. So now it's installing. So it's installed. So we can verify that our Java JDK is installed or not. So we will open cmd here and we'll write the command for checking the Java version, Java -version. So here we can see that Java version 24 is installed in our system. Congrats, you have successfully installed and configured Java JDK. In the next video, we will write our first Java program and understand how the code flows. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment if you faced any issue, subscribe to the channel for more Java tutorials.